in their original perfection, all created things were an expression of the thought of God. To Adam and Eve in their Eden home, nature was full of the knowledge of God, teeming with divine instruction. Wisdom spoke to the eye and was received in the heart, for they communed with God in His created works. Sadly, the earth is now marred and defiled by sin, yet even in its blighted state, so much that is beautiful still remains. The beauties of nature have a tongue that speaks to us without ceasing. The open heart can be impressed with the love and glory of God as seen in the works of His hand. The listening ear can hear and understand the communications of God through the things of nature. There's a lesson in the sunbeam, in the various objects of nature that God has presented to our view. Nature, it invites our attention and meditation. To you who are sighing for the artificial splendor which wealth alone can purchase, for costly paintings, furniture, and dress, listen to the voice of the divine teacher. He points you to nature, the simple design of which cannot be equated by human skill. He's a lover of the beautiful, and above all that is outwardly attractive, he loves beauty of character. He would have us cultivate purity and simplicity, the quiet graces of nature. Nature speaks of God. Nature is a tongue that ministers, that advocates for God. Nature is God's advocate, I would say. And it advocates so wow.